Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can check Tabby Card balance. So guys, you need to follow these steps and let's get started. First guys, open Tabby app application, and if you don't download the application, go to official Tabby app from official website or on Google Play or App Store. Log into your account and launch app and sign up using your Tabby account credential step, and then the 3 access to account section. And once login, navigate to the section where you can view your account detail. It may be labeled as account, wallet or something similar. And step 4, number 4, views balance, and with your account section you can view the balance and you can find your Tabby Card balance clearly and displayed. It may be labeled as available limit or card balance. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content.